5 foods to cut to reduce belly fat. Please save this video to avoid it disappearing. 1. Beer. This food has the highest glycemic index in the world, contains empty calories and stimulates cortisol production. Peanut butter, almond butter. These high-calorie foods bought in the supermarket are not good for you. They are usually eaten with bread, which can lead to abdominal fat accumulation. 3. Sugary soft drinks. These drinks contain a lot of sugar and empty calories, which are not good for the body and only lead to diabetes and fat accumulation. 4. Instant potato chips. These are ultra-processed foods that contain a lot of refined carbohydrates, but few nutrients. It is best to choose unprocessed potatoes. 5. Quick-cooked rice. This includes processed foods like glutinous rice, popcorn, and especially rice crackers, which are digested quickly by the body and cause blood sugar levels to rise. Don't forget to subscribe and forward this video to your friends.